out there, how are you? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Chef Angie.
And I'm Chef Cathy.
And what do we have for... Now, so you get it now.
Hey, how are you?
Hi.
And some lemon, because we'll need some lemon zest.
There we go.
Angie, what's...
Yeah, so to start it off, we're going to wrap this bacon around our hot dogs. So the bacon, you like bacon, Chef? Yes, you can start from the top to down.
Into taste, Chef Angie. Cheers. Phoebe.
In goes our ketchup. You start off with chicken wings and God, I understand. Okay. Just cut. Please, bacon. Do not just talk about it. Let me do this.
So, Chef Angie, I don't know what you're trying to do.
Yeah, and thank you so much, our viewers, for watching.
And we also have a packet called from that. See you next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.